Floating around in the river. Enjoying it, that. I'm like a leaf that floats on the top of the river. I don't have a wave anymore, though. I think every day I find out how much more I don't know. A lot of people say that stuff. I'm actually living it. I say, oh yeah, that's kind of a cliche. Oh, really? I don't know. They still think they're about to know everything. You know. Hold on, Tom. I don't know, but it's funny. Was it where you already had a dream in your car? I wouldn't have to take such a walk. You know what? You gotta appreciate it. Nice. Very good at managing money anyway, so don't feel like somebody else did. Really, though. Yeah, I mean, good. Good, it's kind of like a little bit, I get some up. I've been working on I'm in the final negotiation for a kind of stuff and always wound up, right? It's $4 million. But, yeah. Well, there's a reason things right next door. If I do that one good, I get the reason things. All the time they're playing by one guy. The Trent family. So, but they use a Chinese guy named Michael Zane and Royal Dragon Builder. Shit, I gotta take this call. I think guy's working on it. Let me play back. Okay. Yo. Nobody has it. What about the other girl? Yeah, well, is all your stuff there or just the food? To buy some more juice. I can call you up. I'm fucking on people. Yeah, one more Johnny. It's only one Johnny left. It's only 82 or whatever it is. 82, there's one Johnny that's small one. There's one Johnny. Yep. Yeah, I'll put them under your name. So, I'll call it in there now. Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm saying. There's no way you can just figure out a way to get it in. Because the other door, it's only one regular lock. No, but I mean, you cannot go through your way, or something like that. I should do that. No, what about the thing? You don't know how to figure out how to give me that lock? The one on the other door. Isn't it certified or just the kind of? Because listen, the door goes in, yeah? You need something flexible and straight. So all you gotta do is press them because the door, we put the door on backwards, yeah, for that other one. You know the normal lock, right? Yeah, the new door, that's what I'm saying. So if you just get something in there and you get like one, apart, and you get them in, it'll pop within. Can you get them in? Yeah, let's go ahead and see something back. We got a long way to go together. The new technology is a little different now. Now you can get them, I'm telling you. Yeah, you can press them in, by guarantee you can get them. Just gotta kind of get them through the door back to you. No, nobody wants to bring it. Pull the door back a little bit, you can pick the pressure off, they pull it to you, and then force it in. Just squeeze it in, and it'll go. It'll be like magic. to you, yeah? You gotta feel it, you gotta be like open. You gotta fuck nice. They're just trying to take it home tonight. I guarantee you, 100%. The door is it's like you're trying to open the door from both sides. You know what I mean? No, it's just confidence. You gotta believe in yourself. I believe that you can do it. So if you're the kind to think about what you need, right? If that card is so you need something flexible, but you're hard on the ball, yeah. You know what I mean? So I see. Oh, that's okay, that's good. That's not good. So right there, see, you're getting the lateral a little bit. So this way, it's not stopping. You're not getting, you're not pushing anymore. Right? So when you take the card, you can have a little bit too. So you can kind of get it again. So you might need to grab the compliance. And you can grab the card and force the sucker in there. You know what I mean? If you get no hard time gripping it, I already know you. So you get no hard time pushing the card in. Right? You grab the card. Yeah, see? Now you gotta stick it. Almost well. Because there's no dead ball, so probably not locked, that's it. You can always, no, yeah, guaranteed. You just gotta the time, maybe you just gotta reset. Yeah, you need something really thin though, right? Like, that'll be like super thin. Yeah. Cannot be like that. That'll be something that can burn really easily. The card is the best. So what it is you gotta kind of like, you gotta get them facing that. Like one jab. Yeah, you're getting all fucked up. Yeah, okay, see that's a lot. So what it is when you just play it, so right still, when you're getting in the middle, and you try to get it to go like that, and then you go pop out of the door, right? So this is like the wrong side of the lock. You get in there. So this is stepped in the case, right? Stepped in on the inside the hole, right? As you see the door. But if you press in hard, if you press hard like that, because it's not the pressure, you gotta pull the door a little bit, and then you gotta pull the door. What's that fucking word? Because nice ball. You know what I'm saying? Single ball on one out. Good try, work your magic. You can even watch on YouTube video. That's how you go.